So I'm here in Chamonix and I'm shaking a Polaroid. And what this reminds me of is shaking Polaroids. So when we were pioneering Valdez, Alaska in the helicopters and everything was a first descent, we were flying around and we would buy these Polaroid cameras at the thrift store. Okay. By the way, this is where we're going to be staying when you guys join me in January for the Ski and Expand workshop, which if you want to know more about that, hit me up with a DM. We're going to ski in Chamonix and I'm going to teach you how to expand your life and live a passion-fueled life. But when we were flying around in Valdez a long time ago, we didn't have digital cameras and all this stuff. So we would fly in and we would take a picture with our Polaroid out the window of the helicopter. And then we would fly in and we'd be shaking the thing like this. Now, a cold Polaroid takes a while, right? And so we'd be shaking this thing. We get dropped off on the top trying to remember what we just saw as the Polaroid was slowly developing, right? And we'd be shaking it, and then what you do is you take the picture, right? And you turn it upside down and you kind of look at it like this and you try to imagine what it would look like if you were looking down that slope and what those landmarks were going to be so you didn't die. And that's what it is. So here I am shaking a Polaroid, thinking about the days of shaking Polaroids. By the time Polaroids were done, I had an office desk drawer full of Polaroids, and every single one of those photos was of a first descent. Okay, chock full. Isn't that cool? Right on, guys. Thought I'd share that with you guys. Have an awesome